Car Engine Basis 101, Turbocharger. A turbocharger helps increase engine power by compressing intake air before it enters the combustion chamber. It consists of two main components, a turbine and a compressor connected by a common shaft. Exhaust gases leaving the engine flow through the turbine housing to spin the turbine wheel. This rotation drives the compressor wheel, which draws in ambient air, compresses it, and forces it into the intake manifold at higher pressure and density. The increased air mass allows more fuel to be injected and burned in each combustion cycle, producing greater power without increasing engine displacement.